You're gonna love the 2024 Honda CR-V. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.